Hello guys, I'm Aman, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a JFrame in Java. So first of all, you need to have a Java editor. For the first step, you need to create a new class. Let the category be Java and the file type I recommend it to be empty Java file. Now click on next, give it a name. I'm giving it a name frame1, and the package must not be a default one. Now click on finish. Now here I got a new class creator. So to create a JFrame, you need to import some of the important packages like import java x dot swing dot star. Now the second one is import java dot awt dot star. Now these two important packages that I imported them. Now I'm going to do some of the basics. So if you know Java, you would know what I am doing. So it's public class, it was frame1. Now public static void main string args. Now I am going to introduce my JFrame in it. So let me introduce the JFrame with identifier. JFrame frame is equals to new JFrame. Now give it a title, let it be trial. Let it be a trial. So it comes on your title bar up on the windows. So now I have to set my frame visible. So the format is frame dot set visible. Frame dot set visible, and I have to type a boolean here. Let it be true. Now I have to set the size of the frame. So the format is frame dot set size. Let the size be 300 by 300. Now it will be a square. Now I have to introduce the default close operation. That means if I press the red cross button above the window at the upper right corner of the window, so my JFrame will close. So the format of it is frame dot set default close operation. It's JFrame dot exit on close. So my JFrame is ready now. Now I have to tag in a JPanel in this. So I have to introduce first a JPanel. So JPanel is actually the area in JFrame that contains every graphical objects and even non-graphical objects like text or the labels, buttons, etc., text box, etc. So it's important to introduce a panel in a JFrame. Let the identifier be panel is equals to new JPanel. Let the method be blank. Now I have to add this panel to the frame. So the format is frame dot add panel. So my panel is added to the frame. Now I have to introduce a label in it. Label is actually the text contents in the panel. So J label, let the identifier be label is equals to new J label. Type a text here, let it be hello, I am Aman. Okay, so now I have to add this label to my panel. So the format is panel dot add label. So it got added to my panel. Now I have to introduce a button in this. So to create a button, the format is J button. Let the variable or the identifier be JBTN. BTN. Now it's new J button. So we can type the text here that will be on the button. So let's be click. Now I have to add this button to the panel, so the format is panel dot add btn, the variable name or the identifier. So now if I run the program, it will be something like this, with a frame of 300 by 300, with a panel and a button right here. So it is not working as because there is no action listener. So my next step will be to introduce an action listener in this. Action listener is actually the next operation that will occur if you click this click button. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to add the following lines in it: btn dot add action listener new action blank method semicolon done. Now I have to introduce a subclass in this, which will be the action listener. So the format is static class action. Okay, so first of all, before you introduce the action listener in this, you have to import another file. So that file is import java.awt.event.star semicolon. So introduce this first. Now I got this. Action implements action listener. Now here I need to first introduce the main secondary class. It's public void action performed action event e. So this is how we introduce action listener in this. So now I will continue to do this. Now I will introduce a new frame in it. Frame dot frame the variable be let the variable be frame2 is equals to new JFrame. The tag be click. Okay, so frame dot set visible true, frame dot set size 200 by 200. Okay, it's not frame here, it's frame2. Now I will not use a close operation here. Now JPanel is equals to new JPanel blank method frame dot add panel j label lb variable new j label you clicked me. The text, okay, it's frame2 right here. Now it's panel dot add lb. So now if I run the program right here, The program will be something like this. That it's a trial right here, and okay, so frame. Let me rerun this. Yeah, here we get it. So hello, I'm Aman. Click it. You click me. So this is how we create a JFrame in Java. Hope it was useful. If any questions, you can comment it. Okay. So thank you.